and welcome to Nails for Sanam. In this video I'm gonna share with you a DIY treatment I have learned from Preity channel, and it is a keratin treatment for shine and also to cure rough and frizzy hair. So here I have prepared homemade treatment for smooth and shiny hair. So this is like a home keratin treatment. It has a flaxseed gel and cooked rice. I have blended it together into a paste like this. So as you can see, my hair is really rough and very frizzy, so I wanted to get better results, and I hope this gives me a better result because I heard a lot about it, a lot of people bragged about it, so I just want to try it and see how it works. Well, the application looks very smooth because it is gliding through my hair as if I have applied a ton of serum on my hair. So it is very smoothing right now, but we will see after I wash my hair. So I have took the sections and then I'm applying straight, and it is recommended that you keep your hair straight after the application like this. But as you can see, my hair is very long. I cannot keep it like this, so I have to put a bun. So let me finish application, and then I'm going to leave this for about 30 to 45 minutes, and I'll come back. So I'm done applying the hair mask, and then I have a shower cap on and I wrapped a warm towel. So 45 minutes later, I washed my hair with normal shampoo and no conditioner applied, which is really amazing because my hair is wavy naturally, and this is how it looks. And as a result, my hair is soft, silky to touch, and it added little bit of shine. And when I glide my fingers through it, it runs very smoothly without tangling or without any frizzy, and it's way more bouncier than before. Now I'm going to straighten it with a flat iron as I normally do, and this is how it looks. I have applied no serum whatsoever, and it is very smooth and silky and frizz free. So this treatment is working, and I noticed that I had less breakage of a hair than before. So I'm very happy with the results, and I have a faith that with few more treatments I will achieve the best results. Now this is not a magical, but improvement is certainly noticeable. So I hope this review helped my viewers, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.